Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here to learn about the very interesting topic known as HTML. Have you ever noticed the websites on the internet while surfing through specific topic and wondered how are these websites created? Yes, you are correct. They are created using HTML. Here are some basis points of HTML. It is used in creating web pages. HTML is widely used language on internet. Obviously it is used for creating web pages. Now here, as you can see that the full form of HTML is hypertext markup language. Now what does hypertext literally means? Hypertext means text within text. In simple words, we call hypertext as a hyperlink. Now coming to markup languages. Markup language is a programming language which is to enhance the text. Now while learning or surfing through the web, many people, talking about only those who are intelligent, may have thought how these websites are designed and published. Well, for now we are not going to go deeper into that. Coming back to the point, what is HTML made up of? HTML is made up of different tags. Hopefully in the next upcoming video we will learn how to create and design HTML.